If you own an iPhone, you need to hear this. This feature is a game changer for emergencies. As Hurricane Milton barrels towards Florida, iPhone 14 users with iOS 18 have a lifeline when cell service fails. Apple's new satellite messaging feature lets you send text messages and contact emergency services even with no signal. To set it up, just update your iPhone to iOS 18 under Settings and make sure iMessage is turned on. When you're out of cell range, your iPhone will guide you to connect to a satellite. It's easy and could be crucial in an emergency. Remember, messages take about 30 seconds to send, and while you can't send photos or videos, this feature ensures you stay connected when it matters most. Stay safe and stay connected with your iPhone during Hurricane Milton.